Welcome back. Every plan comes with limits, and Email Sendx makes them easy to track. In this video, we'll explore the Usage and Limits tab. From the billing page, click the Usage and Limits tab. This is your live picture of how much of your plan you're using. The first meter is emails sent this month. The bar fills as you send, and you'll see the exact count against your monthly limit, plus a percentage so you know where you stand. The colors are your quick warning system. Green means you've got plenty of room, under 80%. Amber, from 80 to 95%, means you're getting close. And red, over 95, means you're almost out. The same idea applies to the other meters: contacts created this month, campaigns created this month, and team members. One glance tells you how much headroom each one has. There's also an emails per day meter. Alongside your monthly cap, your plan has a daily sending limit. This bar resets each day so you can pace your sends. When you hit a limit, Email Sendx shows a clear warning right on the meter with a prompt to upgrade, so you're never caught by surprise mid-campaign. Further down is your cleanup credits section. You'll see your current balance, the fresh allocation you get each month, and a ledger listing every time credits were added or used. And if you spot a blue notice saying your limits have been customized by our support team, that's nothing to worry about. It just means support has tailored your limits, and those custom numbers are what's shown here. That's the Usage and Limits tab: meters, color warnings, and your cleanup credits, all in one view. In the final video, we'll add the CRM upgrade to your workspace.